All right, it's Monday, April 6th, 2026. I'm down on the day $804. Got absolutely cooked on two trades. And unfortunate, but I mean, that's kind of what happens sometimes. Bias for the day was long. Fundamental analysis, it was kind of mixed. It was mixed bullish, but I had only really thing, it was kind of hard for me to figure out direction for the day because I had marked off this low volume node. I was like, okay, this is a good spot, price could reverse, but there was not really anything down here. And I had also marked off this low at market open, and I really could have marked off this low as well. I mean, this is kind of obvious, right, as a spot where price could reverse from because it's a news candle. And I was also kind of thinking, as long as we stay within the range of this news candle, we might chop a lot, and we did. And I took two trades. They're both shorts, which one of them was all right. The first one was all right. The second one, I don't know. I mean, I thought it was okay at the time, but I think that looking back on it, it probably was not the greatest idea. So yeah, we do take out that low, and then we do react perfectly from this low volume node as well. And we have a big down candle here. 14K on this down candle, lots of volume, so I was looking to trade this. And we get a pretty nice retrace here. Let's see. Can't remember where exactly. Okay. Okay, so we get a retrace here, and at this point, I'm looking at this range, and I'm thinking, okay. I mean, again, like, there's not really too much. Like, we have this low volume node right here. I mean, kind of right here we have one, but we weren't really hitting anything. And I don't know. I mean, it wasn't looking that great, but we did. Excuse me. We did get pretty good price action here. So this was actually where I entered. Was right here off of this this seller right here. I went in with my position. I had my stop like a little bit. I gave it a little bit of room, and I was going for this. I mean, this technically qualifies as a setup. I mean, I think this is like a B setup. So we actually immediately get a move down. I did not move my stop to break even here. I could have, but I just knew that I've been burned too many times. Honestly, when I saw this wick down like this, honestly, that could have been a sign to maybe move my stop to break even, because this is not looking good. Now, I mean, it's looking all right, but yeah, I get stopped out there. That was the first trade. I got stopped out. And then, unfortunately, the second trade, so we trade through this low volume node. I actually ended up re-entering a trade right here. When we hit this low volume node. And I think, I was looking at this, right, and I was thinking, okay, well, now that we've taken, this high right here, technically the probability should be greater that we're now going to take the high and then go down. Because that's kind of what the A plus setup is when we print a high, we take the high. But the thing I missed, and this is why I'm not really happy with the second trade, is we did not take this high with any absorption. We have buyers fully in control right here, and this is not really looking that bearish anymore, honestly. Like, looking at this right now, this is really not looking that bearish. The buyers are fully in control. They're basically pushing this price up. I mean, the volume is still not as high as this impulse candle down, but now we're way above value area high. I have taken trades like this that are pretty good. But this one, so I mean, yeah, like we have the low volume node, we have absorption here. And I do re-enter this right here. So that was where I re-entered on this seller, and I got absolutely crushed here on this trade. Just immediately stopped out. And I think price ended up coming back here and then kind of reacting off of this area right here. Unfortunate. I don't really know, like, as far as what I could have done better, I probably could have just not taken this second trade. I think that looking back at this, like, it didn't really look as bullish as or bearish as I thought. And also, like, my bias was bullish for the day. I don't know if we had any other setups, because at this point I just got off the charts. I was basically done. I want to see if we had any other setups here. See, now I'd be looking for longs for sure, right? Oh, wow. Okay. Would I still be looking for longs now? I don't know. Okay, I probably would be, if I was trading this. Oh my gosh, why does this freaking thing keep happening? I'd probably be looking for shorts here off of this. Because this actually looks pretty damn good. Ooh, I don't know how that. I don't know how that candle formed, but I might have entered there and gotten stopped again. Dang, dude, this is just not the greatest price movement. Obviously, this low volume node got reacted off. Is there anything in here I could consider? I don't really know. I just wanted to check just because. Ooh, this doesn't look bad. This looks pretty good. Let's see if we actually get the motion here. Oh, I think that was the motion right there. Well, oh man, would I wanted to enter this, dude? Like, this is, let's see, 7.9K, 11K. This is really tough. I might have entered this, honestly. This honestly looks like a trade for me that I might have taken. This is, I don't know, dude. This is 1 to 4. Like, this is a pretty big ask here, but let's see if this would have worked out. I might have entered this. I'm not really sure. The seller's getting absorbed. I don't know if this is not looking that good. At this point, I probably would have reduced my risk here to above like this high that we created. And yeah, I would have just let it go. Oh shit, dude. Stop would be at break even by now. Let's see if I would have gotten stopped at break even. Looks like this is gonna hit. Wow. Wow, dude. That I actually would have put my that could have been an absolutely ridiculous trade. I probably would have entered that. Yeah, I think I would have entered that. Dang, dude. All right. Well, if I'd stayed on there, that would have literally made up for both those losses and so much more. But anyway, nothing you can do. I'll take it tomorrow again.